Words have immense power. They shape our thoughts, influence our emotions, and ultimately determine our actions. The words we choose to speak to ourselves and others can either uplift and inspire, or bring us down and create barriers. What we tell ourselves repeatedly becomes our reality. Our inner dialogue is a powerful force that can either propel us forward or hold us back. When we fill our minds with positive affirmations, we create a foundation for success and happiness. Negative self-talk can limit us, creating self-doubt and fear. It can make us feel unworthy and incapable of achieving our dreams. This kind of thinking can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, where our fears and doubts manifest into our reality. But positive affirmations can change everything. They can shift our mindset from one of scarcity and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. By consciously choosing to speak kindly to ourselves, we can rewire our brains to focus on the positive aspects of our lives. Affirmations are like seeds we plant in our minds. Just as a gardener tends to their garden, we must nurture these seeds with care and consistency. Over time, they will grow and flourish, transforming our mental landscape. They are positive statements that, when repeated with feeling, can reprogram our thoughts and beliefs. By saying affirmations with conviction and emotion, we can begin to believe in their truth and integrate them into our daily lives. Over time, these new beliefs can transform our lives. They can help us overcome challenges, build resilience, and achieve our goals. The power of positive words lies in their ability to create a ripple effect, influencing not only our own lives, but also the lives of those around us. By choosing to focus on self-love and abundance affirmations, we invite more joy, love, and prosperity into our lives. We create a positive environment where we can thrive and grow, both personally and professionally. Are you ready to embrace the transformative power of affirmations? Start today by speaking words of kindness and encouragement to yourself. Watch as your life begins to change in ways you never thought possible. The journey to a more positive and fulfilling life begins with the words you choose to speak. Self-love is the foundation for a happy and fulfilling life. It is the bedrock upon which we build our sense of self-worth and inner peace. Without self-love, we may find ourselves constantly seeking validation from others, never feeling truly content or at ease. But when we cultivate self-love, we unlock a world of possibilities and joy. When we love ourselves, we treat ourselves with kindness, respect, and compassion. This means acknowledging our strengths and accepting our flaws. It means giving ourselves permission to make mistakes and learn from them, rather than being overly critical. Self-love allows us to set healthy boundaries and prioritize our own needs without guilt. We make choices that nurture our well-being. This includes eating nutritious foods, engaging in physical activities that we enjoy, and taking time to rest and recharge. Affirmations can help us cultivate a deep and unwavering love for ourselves. These positive statements act as gentle reminders of our worth and potential. By repeating these positive statements, we begin to believe them. Over time, they can reshape our inner dialogue, replacing negative self-talk with empowering and uplifting thoughts. This practice can transform our mindset, helping us to see ourselves in a more positive light and embrace our true selves. We start to see ourselves in a more positive light. Our confidence grows, and we become more resilient in the face of challenges. We learn to celebrate our achievements, no matter how small, and to approach life with a sense of gratitude and optimism. Self-love is not selfish, it is essential. It is the key to living a balanced and fulfilling life. When we prioritize self-love, we are better equipped to handle stress and adversity. We become more patient, understanding, and compassionate towards ourselves and others. When we love ourselves, we have more love to give to others. Our relationships improve, and we become a source of positivity and support for those around us. By nurturing our own hearts, we create a ripple effect of love and kindness that extends far beyond ourselves. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am perfect, whole, and complete just as I am. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I am deserving of all good things in life. Repeat these affirmations daily, feeling the truth of each word. As you embrace these positive thoughts, you'll notice a shift in your energy. You'll feel lighter, brighter, and more confident. Abundance is not just about money. It's about experiencing a richness in all areas of life. It's about waking up every morning with a sense of purpose and joy, knowing that you are surrounded by endless possibilities and opportunities. It's about having loving relationships, good health, fulfilling work, and a deep sense of gratitude. Imagine the joy of sharing your life with someone who truly understands and supports you, the vitality that comes from taking care of your body, and the satisfaction of doing work that you are passionate about. We live in an abundant universe, and there is more than enough for everyone. The stars in the sky, the vastness of the fields, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones all remind us of the infinite abundance that surrounds us. When we release limiting beliefs about money and worthiness, we open ourselves up to receive unlimited blessings. Letting go of past fears and doubts is like tearing up old scripts that no longer serve us, freeing us to embrace new possibilities. Affirmations can help us shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. By looking in the mirror and affirming our worth, we begin to see ourselves as deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Writing down our goals and dreams helps to solidify our intentions and bring them into reality. By focusing on what we want to attract, we align ourselves with the flow of prosperity. Envisioning our goals on a vision board, reaching out to the universe with open hands, and standing confidently at the edge of new opportunities all help us to manifest the abundance that is our birthright. I am a money magnet, attracting wealth and abundance. Money flows into my life easily and effortlessly. I am grateful for all the abundance that surrounds me. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. Repeat these affirmations with joy and gratitude, feeling the energy of abundance flowing into your life. Visualize yourself living a life of prosperity and ease. Sometimes we block abundance from entering our lives because we don't feel worthy of receiving it. We may have limiting beliefs about our deservingness, often stemming from past experiences or societal conditioning. It's time to release these limiting beliefs and step into our power. We are all worthy of love, abundance, and happiness. It is our birthright. By affirming our worthiness, we open ourselves up to receive the blessings the universe has in store for us. I am worthy of receiving all the good that life has to offer. I release all beliefs that limit my ability to receive. I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. I am deserving of a life filled with joy, love, and prosperity. Repeat these affirmations with conviction, knowing that you are worthy of receiving all the good the universe wants to give you. Section 8. Creating your 10-minute affirmation practice. Set aside 10 minutes each day to focus on your self-love and abundance affirmations. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. You can say your affirmations aloud, write them down, or listen to them as a recording. The most important thing is to repeat them with feeling and belief. Consistency is key. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they will be embedded in your subconscious mind. Section 9. Visualize and feel your affirmations. As you repeat your affirmations, visualize yourself living the life you desire. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and love as if your affirmations are already your reality. The combination of words, visualization, and emotion creates a powerful energy that attracts your desires into your life. Don't be afraid to dream big. The universe loves to fulfill our desires when we align ourselves with them. Section 10. Consistency is key to transformation. Like any new habit, practicing affirmations takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they will be embedded in your subconscious mind. Over time, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts in your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. You'll start to attract more love, abundance, and joy into your life. Section 11. Embrace a life of love and abundance. Affirmations are powerful tools for transformation. By choosing to focus on self-love and abundance, we open ourselves up to receive the limitless blessings the universe has in store for us. Make these affirmations a part of your daily routine. Repeat them with feeling, visualize your desires, and trust the process. You are worthy of a life filled with love, abundance, and joy. Embrace it.